My name is Jonathan Guenthner. This is FTT 111, Week 1, Assignment 1. For this, we'll be doing a cycle of operations and performing a functions check on a SIG P365. Before I start, I don't have any snap caps, so found some dummy rounds here. There's no primer, as well as there have been holes drilled through it, so there's no gunpowder in there either. So before we start, we will visually and physically inspect the weapon, make sure that the mag well and chamber is clear. Before I do that, also verify there's no live ammo in the workspace, none in the magazine, none on the table here. So visually inspect the chamber and the mag well, physically inspect. It's clear, so we can go ahead and start. Load one dummy round into the magazine and place it into the firearm. This will begin the cycle of operations. Now, there is no physical safety on this particular P365. There's only a trigger safety, so it will only allow a trigger pull if there's deliberate pressure placed on the center of the trigger. So first up is going to be feeding. It's when the round feeds from the magazine into the chamber, which takes us into the second step, which is chambering. Round goes into the chamber, moves on to the next step, locking. The slide locks forward. Next up is going to be firing. Again, deliberate pressure on the center of the trigger. It fires. Next up is going to be unlocking. So the slide will break open. And then next up is going to be cocking. This happens pretty simultaneously with extracting. So as the slide moves to the rear, the extractor grabs the lip of the round and then takes it into the final stage of ejecting. So next, we're going to be doing a functions check. For this, I'll be loading, if I can grab them here. We'll drop the magazine. We're going to be loading two dummy weapons. Two dummy rounds into the weapon. So again, no primer. So we'll get these loaded. Place it into the weapon. Sorry, my dog is going hard on some water right now. So place that into the weapon. So first up is going to be cocking. Round is in the chamber. We're going to fire it. We're going to cock it again. We're going to listen for the trigger reset. There it is. We're going to eject again. We're going to verify that it locks to the rear. Locks to the rear, so we'll drop the mag. No more rounds left. One last time, we're going to visually and physically inspect the mag well in the chamber, and that will complete our functions check.